Wood Nation, what's going on, bros and bros? Look, man, this is Wood Jr. and I trust all is well. I got Chris right there, man. Oh, you got Chris, bro. Oh my gosh. I think you're gonna need to retire now. Chris, man, Thor is clean.
Man, look what I ran into, y'all.
Ah! What's up, y'all? Wood Jr., bro. What's up, my guy, Chris? Ah! This is what I was about to show Wood Nation, so I come to get the bike. I mean, I haven't been in yet. Wifey just dropped me off. Look at the wire in here, man. Man, come on, they know they gotta do a little better now. Look at this. Yeah, man.
That's how Harley Savannah doing it?
Man, man. Come on, y'all. I understand we rushing, but man, guess how much? This is $750. Wow. So yeah, man, gotta get it right here now. They're not sticking anymore, the grommets or whatever these are called. I mean, they gotta put something to make it stick or something. Let me see, is the key in there?
My man not happy picking this bike up.
Yeah, what's up, y'all?
Going on here.
Yeah. Let me see, is the...
Wood, man.
Oh yeah, I'm very meticulous, man.
Meticulous about this bike, y'all. I know that.
$750, man. Y'all, listen.
He got wires that ain't even, you know what I'm saying?
Let's see. See if the blinkers, everything is working.
Okay.
Nope, look at her. The right one's not even working. Look at here, see that?
Yeah, on the bag.
Yep, man. Man, see this, hey look, this is the stuff, man. And look, I'm talking to the Chris camera, y'all. But look, y'all, this is the stuff y'all gotta check, man. If you guys are, you know what I'm saying, going to get your bike, $750 is a lot of money, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But listen, man, you know, you gotta make sure this stuff is right. So, you know, I mean, oh, look at that. So something's not right. Look at that, because it's glitching.
Well, yeah. I say we go inside and talk to the service people, man.
Yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? Man, I'm about to grab my chrome-plated Bible snug.
Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and talk to these service people, man.
Let's see.
My man's bike.
1, 2. All right. I'm gonna hit the brake, Chris. Let me know if it strobe. All right, I'm gonna turn those off. All right, the strobe.
Yeah, but not on this one.
Oh, see.
This was on, so it kind of reversed this now.
Let's see. What about
now,
them?
The strobe is working on all except for the bag.
So the step of the bag?
The bag ain't working. Now it's working. Oh, wait.
This one?
Oh. There you go.
Yeah, but you know, when I'm riding, I don't want it to be in and out. And look, so look at this, man. Look, they put it, you know, they put it in between here. I don't know if they thought that was a good fit or not. I'm about to talk with them, but it actually should have went here. This should have went off. Yeah, exactly, and not here. Yeah, because that's where wifey sits. You know, when she sits, it's gonna damage the wiring, man. Yeah, I mean, guys, Wood Nation bros and bros, you know what I'm saying? Look, I mean, when you check your bike, I'm sure everything else is good. But you gotta make sure these things are right, man. $750, y'all. Now, granted, my discount ESP did take care of the rear sensor and the rear bearing, but everything else I had to take care of the tire, the front sensor, and then I'm sure like the labor. But okay, let me see if I can disconnect both of these. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and just fix this now, man. There's no need to even, you know, I mean, but, you know, I mean, did they wash the bike? Let me see, did they wash my bike? I don't even think they washed it. Yeah, man, look here, I'm just gonna go ahead and unhook this. But now I do understand these little stickies is not sticking, so I do understand that. Wow. The bag is dirty. Once again, I can't blame them, but I thought that, I didn't know if that would be done or not. I thought I had a rag, and I ain't even got a, oh yes I do. All right, so let me wipe this off. Yeah, see, Chris, these little stickies are not sticking. So I'll have to just go in the front like this. And see, this should be under like that. See that? The wire should go under like that. This here is gonna have to come around like this. And I'm gonna have to reach this in there like that. So what I was able to do is hide the wire behind this little shield here, or this little cover, and make it look, you know, a little more decent. All right, let's try it now, Chris. All working? Man. All right, so let's see.
Everything's good. Everything's working out.
Okay.
Do your own work, man.
All right, I'm gonna hit the brakes. Let me know. I'm gonna hit the brakes.
Good. Yeah. You good? Get back in motion.
All right. Woo!
Back in the mix.
Man. Woo!
You caught me just getting off the highway.
Yeah.
3-hour ride, man. You dirty now.
Man, I know you was getting it, bro. You seen any other bikers out there? Man, see this guy, man, he from Cali, man. Cali, they be doing them burnouts like that. Man, we in the South, we do that burnout, we're gonna get thrown from the bike. Or at least I may, but I'm gonna try it in increments.
Yeah, hey, Wood Nation, you can't be scared to let the clutch go.
Good
A
point.
lot of people be just holding that clutch, man, babysitting the clutch, man. See, from the Bay, man, we don't babysit the clutch. We let it go.
Really?
Let that thing get side, whatever it do, we just ride it out.
So you don't guide it? Or
Yeah, I mean, you can. You get your body with it, you know, you move your body with your body. But you can't be scared of it, man. Just gotta let the clutch go.
I mean, man, you let the clutch go on a $100,000 bike though.
Hey, man.
Look at this.
It is what it is.
Ooh, wait. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
One, he brung his bike in here,
Uh-huh.
and his saddle bag, where he has his little lights and all that cool little thing going on, I don't know why that the holders are missing.
Oh, what holders?
Yeah, to hold the wires down so that they don't go.
No,
all
those are
over
the stickies. The stickies have
Yeah,
lost
the
its grip.
stickers came off. Yeah, I wonder why.
Well, probably because of all the dirt. But I hit the
All
wire.
the dirt that's on.
Yeah. All right, there we go, Wood Nation bros and bros. Man, 2 thumbs up to these guys. Man, discount ESP coverage. Like I said, they took care of the rear sensor as well as the rear bearing, so that's cool. They paid, that was what, $287 they paid, right? So it looks like that's $287 there. And then we are responsible for, where is it? For $300. No.
Oh, it's on the second page.
Oh, second page? Okay. Oh yeah, so $750, $75. You got 75 sending people on me to Friday? No, for real, I pay it back. For real, I got a job. No. $750? I'm getting me some popcorn. Huh. Roll wheel. Wood Nation bros and bros, check this out, man. My guy Jack just bought the new Road Glide 2024. Man, that thing look good. Let me show you what he traded in, man. Look at this thing. What's up, brother? Look at that. This is most bikers, man. They come from a Hayabusa to here. Where you at, Jack? Come on in, bro. Congratulations, man.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
So this is your first Harley?
Yep, first Harley.
Wow. So what made you want to do it?
Just something more comfortable for me and my wife. I have a Ducati Street Fighter V4 SP, so that's my
Go ahead.
that's my track bike, my race bike. So this is my this would just be my cruising bike.
That's what I'm talking about, man. Dude, you're gonna love it, bro. You're gonna love it, man.
Appreciate it, man.
Bro, 2 thumbs up, man. Are you gonna be doing some long riding or?
Yeah, eventually. Definitely
Okay.
gonna go to Bike Week.
Nice in Daytona.
Yeah.
Awesome. Oh, yep. Yeah, look at that new tire, y'all. All right. Man, it feels so good getting my bike back, Wood Nation bros and bros. Man, put in the comments, man. Do you guys have that feeling, man? Like, a feeling of excitement, a feeling of relief. Like, I have my bike. Man, look at that, man. This is equal, man. For those who follow the channel, you guys know this is equal, man. My 2020 Street Glide Special with 46,000 miles on it. You know, and to be honest, man, overall, the maintenance is minor. You know, to God be the glory. I mean, the rear bearing, the sensors, you know, all that, and the rear tire. Those are all minor things, thank God, man. The motor is still pumping pretty good. Transmission is great. Brakes are good. Brakes are all new all around. I got the new brakes all around. So, yeah, man, I mean, she's good, man. I know a lot of people like, man, just go ahead and get rid of it. But, man, this is my girl, man. You know, we've bonded. We've created a relationship. Only thing I don't like the relationship is one-sided. She never say anything. I ask her how's her day. You know, if there's, you know, would you like a particular gas other than premium all the time? Uh-oh, be like,
Yeah, there you go.